Here for the fixing we have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and here back cover comes off effortlessly. The problem with this device is that its power button does not work properly and also it's not clicky enough, like it's stuck. As you can see, this button doesn't work, but nevertheless I need to turn it off. Now unscrew some screws on metal plate and also on the plastic cover on the bottom. Then lift it up with some blade and take it off. Also unplug wireless charging for the S Pen. Unplug the battery connector. And now we need to remove upper plastic cover and also some screws which are securing the cameras. Lift this plastic cover up with a blade and remove it. And now we need to remove motherboard, so we unplug this ribbon cable. And just unplug these two ribbon cables from the motherboard. Also unplug screen connector and also don't forget to remove SIM card tray. Also I decided to unplug selfie camera. And finally our motherboard is free. And now we need to remove our buttons. Here remove this metal plate with some thin tweezers. And also remove a button cable. I'm applying here some isopropyl alcohol and removing this buttons cable. And now we need to remove this power button itself. It wasn't easy at all because this metal frame squeezed this button. And as you can see, there is a bump. And here you can see it a little bit better. The button itself is scratched a lot. The cable is okay. And now let's work with some grinding pen to remove this bump. Looks okay, and now it's time to put our power button on this place. First you need to put buttons ribbon cable. And then our button. And finally this metal plate between button and button's ribbon cable. Install it while pressing power button. And check if it clicks OK. And now it's time to install our motherboard. Plug display connector. And these two ribbon cables as well. Also put these parts as well. It's time to lift this metal plate and connect the wireless charging for S Pen and battery connector. Put upper plastic cover. Also don't forget about one ribbon cable. Now close this cover and connect wireless charging and cover it with metal plate and screw it. Here I'm checking whether display is working. Button clicks acceptable. And now I want to show you some frame cleaning of this phone. Just look how much rubbish was there. Here I'm gluing camera's cover. And now finally apply some glue B7000 to glue back cover. After that I decided to clean it up. I hope this video was helpful and see you in the next one, my dear friends and viewers.